What's going on, guys? I welcome you to this video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I'll take you through classroom creation using Google Classroom platform and how to create assignment and assign it to students. First, let's open up any browser. Right now I have signed into my account. I'll hit on more apps and I'll scroll down till I find Classroom application. After hitting on Google Classroom application, in order to create a class, I'll hit on plus icon where it can be used to either join a class or create a class. So here I'll be creating a class and it will ask you to enter class name. After filling all the informations in the fields provided, hit on create button. So right now I have successfully created microcontroller course Google Classroom successfully. And if I want my students to join to this or get enrolled to this Google Classroom provides class code for each and every class that which is unique. So right now this is the code that which student should enter in join class field of Google Classroom app if he wants to get enrolled to my Google Classroom. So I'll be passing this code to my students group so that they can get enrolled. So at the students end, students should first install Classroom app in their mobile phones. And here after installing Classroom application, he has to launch Classroom application and he has to hit on plus mark where he has to select join class, where he has to enter the class code provided for my specific course. After entering the class code, he has to hit on join button. In order to make the classroom more relatable, I can change the theme. So same as that of your Facebook wall, here also we are having a wall wherein I can share any information if I want to just by hitting on this field. And I can hit post and this message will be conveyed to all the students who are enrolled to my class. I can also add attachment. So here is where I got to click on add button. After hitting on add button, I got to select the file. If it is on my local hard disk, I got to hit on select attachment where I can drag and drop files, or I can hit on select files from local computer. So as you can see, my PDF file has got added as an attachment and later I can post it, and along with that I am also having provision to handpick my students. If I don't want all the students to get this circular, or if I'm trying to do any sort of mentor meeting, or if I'm trying to take any remedial classes and if I want to convey the information related to that, so I can select only that specific students and I can send this information. So I can as well as schedule a specific time. So if I want that information to get posted at a specific date and specific time, I can schedule it by entering the information required here, date as well as time. We are having one more tab called as classwork. So this is where I can create quizzes or assignments to students. If I were to create assignment for students, I got to hit on create button and I'll be selecting assignment. So here is where I'll be entering the title of assignment number 1, and here I'll be writing some instructions, and these instructions are optional field. If you want, you can put it in words, or if you don't want, you can leave it as it is. So in the instruction field, I'll be writing few instructions like answer all the questions, scan the answers and convert it into a single PDF file. So the students can make use of CAM scanner or any other similar kind of applications in order to convert their writing into PDF file. The PDF should be posted in the classroom before 24/4/2020 within 5 p.m. File name of the PDF should be given in this order to start with USN underscore their name underscore assignment number 1 dot PDF. For example, if the student USN is 4J19EC001 underscore his name underscore assignment underscore 1. So in this fashion, the student has to prepare his assignment PDF file. I have already prepared some list of questions that which I'll be adding to this assignment 1. So for that, I'll hit on add attachment button. So I'll hit on attach file and I'll hit on select files from your device. So I have my list of questions on my desktop, questions on microcontrollers, and I'll be hitting upload button. I'll change the points to 10 marks and I'll assign due date, and the due date is I can also create a topic here, and if I'm having rubrics for evaluation, I can also attach the rubric with this assignment. So after doing all these things, I'll hit on assign button, and this assignment 1 will be assigned under the topic name assignments. So this is how we can create assignment and assign it to students. Thanks for watching.